Please click the subscribe button and bell for notifications. Please like, comment, and share my videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to hear some good music, follow me on Twitch, DJ Sounds BK. Let's go. What up? It's your boy Sounds. We back again.
Ooh, it's DJ Sounds, my favorite DJ.
And today we have an Onyx that was almost stolen. I wasn't there, so I don't know the whole story. But what I think what happened is whoever tried to steal it must have thought this maybe a cable lock or something, and they actually cut the wire that goes to the motor. So all the phase wires and the Hall sensor wires are all destroyed. So I have to pretty much rebuild this whole section here to get this bike back up and running. And upon that, I just found out that the thief removed the bolts for the shocks. This really looks personal because I never seen nothing like this. But yeah, so the owner has all the new bolts that's coming in. So in the meantime, while I have it, I'm gonna start working on this, get this bike up and running, because you know, it's really hard to ride an Onyx, you know, in this condition. Because could do the sparklies and poof, damaged motor. So I'm gonna get started working on that, and gonna see how it works, how it turns out, baby. Let's go. All right, so I've got everything connected. Everything's connected. So get this a shot here. Yeah. He's back, baby. The Onyx is alive. It's alive. Yes, sir. It's alive, baby. Yeah. All right, so the patient has survived the surgery. She's back up and running. Like I said, somebody tried to steal his bike, and they cut the main wire that goes to the motor, cut all the hall wires, all the phase wires, and it's been repaired, and the bike is running. And, hopefully nobody tries to steal it again. But don't forget that they have the GPS trackers for these things. So in case you do leave it outside, in the case it does get stolen, at least you can recover your bike, because these bikes are very expensive and nobody wants to have their bike stolen. Because you work hard so you can play hard, not for you to work hard so somebody else could play. You know what I'm saying? So, try to get these things GPS enabled, so if anything happens, you can get your bike back. Because as you can see, they're always trying to steal these things. So, I don't want to hear nobody else tell me, their bike was stolen. Because it's happened a couple of times already. So I hate to hear that. But anyway, it's working. I'm happy that it is working. So the customer's happy. And that is it. I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.
Ooh, it's DJ Sounds, my favorite DJ.